Hi there, my name's Mike Pitt. I make videos about business and crypto. The title of this video is Nayib Bukele, he did it. Let's give you some context. I want to close a loop on a couple of videos that I've made earlier this year. So Nayib Bukele is the president of El Salvador, this gentleman, and in 2021 he started buying Bitcoin. He first of all he announced or he introduced Bitcoin as legal tender in El Salvador. I've made a couple of videos about him, so I'm not going to repeat all the information in those videos. I'm going to point you to those videos. One video was, will El Salvador's Bitcoin bet pay off? That's the screenshot. And the other video was, who was the guy who gambled his nation's future on Bitcoin? There's the thumbnail for that video. So if you haven't watched those videos, go and watch those videos for more detail. But today, on the 7th of December 2023, I just want to close the loop on those videos. So I asked the question, will his bet pay off? And he made a bet on behalf of El Salvador's government on Bitcoin. He bought on behalf of El Salvador 2,381 Bitcoin, an average cost of 35,000 to 40,000. Today, at the time of speaking, time of recording, Bitcoin is at 44,000. So this means that he is in profit. Nayib Bukele, president of El Salvador, is in profit on Bitcoin that he's invested on behalf of the country. So he had a lot of critics, particularly the IMF and the World Bank, who said he was mad, crazy guy to invest in Bitcoin. But he's proven them all to be wrong. And those people who follow my channel, thank you very much for following. I appreciate it. Those people who watch the videos will know that it wasn't a crazy investment. He knew what he was doing. Bitcoin stands above, head and shoulders above all of the other cryptocurrencies. I've mentioned the reasons why in many other videos, and I'll continue to do so. But a lot of cryptocurrencies may turn into dust, may become nothing in the next few years. But Bitcoin has proven itself since 2009 to be a robust store of value. So yes, there are peaks and troughs and so on, but the underlying trend is upwards. And Nayib Bukele recognized this. He had his advisors and he obviously personally looked into this and investigated and saw the potential of Bitcoin and the potential of that profit to help transform the country, because there are lots of challenges within El Salvador, and he is addressing those in the best ways that he sees possible. One of those was investing in Bitcoin. So it's a win for him. And let me just underline that by saying he has done this in advance of Bitcoin ETFs being approved. They're not approved by the SEC in the US yet, and that's likely to have an upward effect, an upward impact on the price of Bitcoin. So he's done it in advance of that. That might be happening in January or February. I made a video about that. It's probably my last video I published on the channel, so there's a thumbnail for that. Please watch that video and then you'll find some more information about that. He's also done it in advance of the Bitcoin halving. I made a video about the Bitcoin halving. If you watch the videos, you'll be educated and you'll know when it's right for you to consider investing in Bitcoin. My personal view is you should be investing in Bitcoin, and that's a decision that I've taken on my behalf. But you've got to do your own due diligence and make your own investment decisions. I'm not your financial advisor. Remember that. I'm just some guy on the internet. And so he's done it in advance of the ETFs being approved. He's done it in advance of the Bitcoin halving, and the 4-year cycle points to the bull run starting next year. So next year, a lot of analysts and indicators are expecting that Bitcoin will go through the bull run, and some wild prices are being quoted. I'm not going to repeat them all here for the price of Bitcoin per unit, and it's all leading or pointing towards obviously a bull run and potential profits for retail investors and institutional investors. So I just wanted to make a short video to say Nayib Bukele, everybody said he was crazy. I didn't think he was crazy. He didn't think he was crazy. The results speak for themselves. Let's talk about results in the crypto world. Results are, at the moment, if he were to sell the 2,381 Bitcoin that he bought on behalf of El Salvador, he would be in profit. Thanks for watching this short video. Please check out my socials. I look forward to speaking to you next video. Peace.